that time again.
Hello, Fresh. I got 3 meals for 5 weeks for £28. For me, that was a cop. You think I can get a copyright for this? Comes like this: 3 people for the meals. But so babes, what meal is it for then? Oh, thank you. You want to sit down next to me? Okay, no problem. So in here, there's some parsley, some onion, some potatoes, some mayonnaise. That's probably for the burger. Then in here we have, oh, this is for the burger, sorry. Some carrots, some potato, some seasoning. Oh, sorry, breadcrumbs. This one's for the burger, definitely. Okay, so that's 1 meal for the burger. This is another meal. 5. Some more parsley. Portion of rice. This is for 3 people. This is what made me laugh earlier. I'll show you the other bag that they put in here. It was 250 kg, the rice, and it comes up to here. This is for 3 people, blood. Are they okay? That's just 1 cup of rice. 1 cup of rice for 3 people. No.
Hey, I want a piece of food.
You want? Why are you talking to me like that? Then why are you talking to me like that? You can't go, hey, I demand a popsicle. Excuse me? Look, potato for like every meal. This is for the salmon. This meal is for the salmon. I might cook this today. And this one, I don't know what that one's for. I'm gonna open a few of them so you can see. But some of them is veg. Are they taking the mick blood? Are they taking the mick blood? Are they taking the mick blood? Be realistic with me. We all know, yeah, you get 2 pieces salmon for 300g. What? 2 pieces? Remember I said that? 300 for 3 pieces. It's like they cut the 2. Oh my gosh. What's this? What's that? What's that? Bro, are they okay? Are they okay? For 3 people, this little tiny piece of salmon. No. Bro, I'm glad it only cost £28. I'm cancelling it. I'm sorry, that salmon there was like a no-go. So we got some green here. Okay, the size of them look okay. So these are for 3 people. Like I said, I got meals for free. 1, 2, 3. And there's an ice pack. And the rest are just vegetables. Cheesy Italian style. Yeah, branding is rubbish though. When it comes to the food packaging, you know. It's just plain and simple. Yeah, there's nothing else in here but veg. So I want to show you something that made me laugh. Yeah. About HelloFresh. So £28, yeah. I can legit buy. This will probably cost me £12 for 2 pieces of salmon, coming up to 300g. £12 already. You know, peas. That's not even £1 worth, bro. Let me not. The most expensive things here are these two. That's probably why they're so small. Mummy's looking at this little, tiny little piece of salmon.
This boy just wasted £40 of fucking makeup. Look at it all over his body. Look at him. Look. Screaming, Mommy, I finished. Sit on the toilet. Cause I know you haven't wiped your bum yet. Look at that. Look at his legs. Look at his toes. Look at his hand. Yo, you think it's funny? Look at my floor, bro. Huh? This is done for now. I'm so glad I hit the other one. £40 gone. Can't even get a look. Can't even get a little tutu powder out of it. Huh? Good for a mirror now. Bruh. What's up, my peoples? I know I'm looking a bit... Don't care. I've lost weight. I know you're probably looking at me. But, like, if I was... What? Hi, so it's a Monday morning. To be realistic. Sorry, I've been cooking. Oh my gosh, I got an itchy back. Oh, do you see how big this is? Yeah, ho. Yeah, ho. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Sorry, this is a completely different. Okay, you just seen that. Tell me I have not lost weight. Bro, I have lost so much weight. Like, even my natural... Bro! This little dark mark here is starting to die down. Here, this is starting to die down. It's like not as heavy. Here. Listen, I'm ecstatic about this.
See the closer I get to go.